Hello everyone. Um, I welcome you to this class, and this class is all about crafting your prompt for creating your avatar. How do you craft your prompt for creating avatar? We are here back in ChatGPT. Press your option bar to check other GPTs you can use for your avatar creation prompts. Avatar prompt creation. So now, let's search for image. I just prefer to use specific app specifically app specific for each thing I want to create, because I noticed there are difference in using the apps that are meant for something and the ones that are not meant for it. Though the normal ChatGPT is okay. But it might not give you what you really want. So now we are looking for image generator. There is two of it. So we use this one, image generator pro. Let me circle with this. We use this one, and you can as well use any of it, or you can use this one too. I supported it with this after my free stuff for the first one ended. So now let me show you how I use that image generator to craft my pictures. So the first thing I did is ask it question. Now remember, when you are using all these GPTs, there is limited time for the use each day. So just like this one now, you can see that it's showing you've reached a certain your limit for using GPTs. So upgrade to ChatGPT Go or try again later. So I don't care, because tomorrow it will reload for me and I'll be able to use it. So now I'm only telling you that so you'll be conscious of it. So I asked this GPT that give me a perfect prompt to change my picture into an animated picture that will still keep the resemblance of my face and give me a perfect body. Because sometimes when you upload your picture, let's say any picture you want to use for crafting your avatar, sometimes it doesn't keep that face. It will just generate something around it, but not really that face. So that's why I want to generate a perfect prompt that will give me that face. So it says I should tell my preferred style, either pixel style, anime style, comic superhero, or semi-realistic digital art. So then it says I should upload a picture of myself, and then it will give me the prompt. So now it asks for the language, so I said English A, and then gave me back the first reply again. So now, but I did a mistake. I did not tell it the style I want before I uploaded the picture. I just uploaded the picture and telling it to give it pixel style and semi-realistic digital art, thinking it will give me the prompt like that. But it generated an image, and this is the image it's generated. I don't really like it because it's not even looking so close to this. It's not as beautiful as the original picture actually. So I now reprompted it that use the original image to craft the prompt I asked above, so in case it forgot. So you can chat with your GPT just like you chat with your friend. It's so easy to communicate with. Then it gave me the prompts. Now because I asked it to be a pixel style and semi-realistic digital art, so it just merged. It gave me a prompt that would give me the touch of both. So I had to prompt it that I want the two different prompts separately, so that I want the 3D pixel animation style separate and semi-realistic digital artwork separate. So it gave me the first one and it gave me the second one. Mind you, don't feel like because it's a lady's picture it's generating for ladies. If it's a guy picture that I uploaded as well, it will generate for guy. And let's say you already have a prompt like this and you don't even want to stress yourself, just take that prompt to Gemini that you'll be using for generating your picture, and tell Gemini to change that prompt for a prompt that can be used to generate a masculine image. So it will change the prompt for you and you'll be able to use it to generate your masculine image. So perfect, so easy. And if you are just creating it from beginning, just as I've showed you. So just make sure instead of uploading a female picture, upload a male picture. If you want to generate for kids as well, you can as well follow this step and you get your prompt. So the next thing I did, now it asked me if I want hybrid style. That means pixel with semi-realistic digital art. I said yes, and I noticed the complexion it gave me, that it is rich brown complexion. I don't want rich brown complexion, I want a caramel skinned complexion. So I told this to change that particular prompt to caramel skin, and it gave me that. So I copied this caramel skinned prompt. I copied the first prompt for 3D pixel style animation, and the second one for semi-realistic. Now if you want to create 3D pixel style picture, if you don't put animation there, it will 3D your picture, but it will not be the animation pattern, the animation type. There is difference in it. You can try it. Just press 3D pixel style and 3D pixel style animation on the same image. You see that the outcome will be different. There will be slight difference in them. So it depends on what you want to generate. So now I asked it to generate a picture using that hybrid one for me, and here it brought the picture. If you notice the picture, the resemblance is still there, but not so much, but it's still there. So now I copied the prompt, took it to Gemini, and when I got to Gemini, in Gemini I recreated the picture to show me a full body. So then because of that, I had to come back to my ChatGPT so that GPT can give me a prompt that I can always use to get a full body like this. This is the body it gave me. So I always want to get a body like this. So that's why I came back to ChatGPT to reprompt it, and it gave me a prompt. I said, using this type of full body, craft a prompt that can be used to generate this kind of body with any passport photo of a lady. So with any passport photo of a lady, I can create this kind of body using this prompt. So you too can generate your own personal prompts. You can touch it up anyhow you like. So then I have this. I have this for full body picture, and for the male also, for full body male, I just copy this, put it in Gemini, told Gemini to change it for male character, and it gave me. So now let's go to Gemini and see how those pictures are created one after the other. So with the prompt I've copied, and let me remind you again that every phone have a clipboard. So whenever you want to copy, just make sure that you save it on your clipboard. Remember to turn on your clipboard, and if you don't know how to turn on your clipboard, go to any app where you can type, then press on the typing box like this. So you see this logo here, this here, you press on it. So when you press on it, you can see this here. So you press on it. After pressing on it, then your clipboard will be on. So it will be like this. So when your clipboard is on, then you can copy just 5 things you can copy. No matter how long each write-up is, it doesn't matter, but it must not be more than 5. So you can copy it on your clipboard and then come over here and go to anywhere you want to paste it and start pasting it. Then you get whatever you want to do. So now with this image, I uploaded the image tapping on the plus button, and then I change my model, the Gemini model I want to banana, nano banana, this. So I changed it. Then with this plus button, you can upload your reference image. So I uploaded the reference image and pasted the prompt I generated from ChatGPT. I said it should transform this image to hybrid pixel style, semi-realistic digital portrait, hybrid one sha. So now it gave me this. Beautiful, right? Very beautiful actually, and I love it so much. And remember, if you want to download any of this picture, remember this is where you press this and download. And if it's not showing this, you can as well press this as well, and share it with your file manager, and it will automatically download. So we should have no issue downloading pictures from Gemini. So it gave me this picture which I love. So beautiful, so beautiful actually. So now I came back, uploaded the first picture, the original picture again, and told Gemini to transform it this time around to 3D pixel style. I want to see how the 3D pixel style animated caramel skinned character. I was the one that put in that caramel skin myself. It was just animated character, but I don't want it to bring out a dark character for me, so that's why I added caramel skinned character. So I didn't change anything than that. Then it gave me this. If you notice, the top is still the same thing and all, but the face changed small because it's Pixar 3D. So though sometimes Pixar 3D will even resemble you more than this, so you can just reprompt it again till it give you the perfect outcome you want. Now I want it to be a semi-realistic digital portrait. So let's see. For semi-realistic digital portrait, the skin tone as well, I changed it to caramel, warm caramel. It was warm brown skin that was there, so I changed it to warm caramel skin, caramel complexion. So you too can touch up your prompts. Don't just feel like you use the prompts ChatGPT give you straight up. You can check it and add a touch to it and you get what you want. So now it gave me back the image, and you can see this looks so much like this. It looks so much like it. Yes, almost like it. So now after I've gotten this, I want a full body, not my full body, not the real image full body. So I want a full body that AI will generate for me. So I said create a full body portrait for this image, giving her a gorgeous standard feminine body. So then here it comes. You can see that this body is banging, very hot, very beautiful. So then that was why I took this picture back to ChatGPT, that ChatGPT should create a prompt with this picture. So a prompt that I can use on other pictures that will make me to still be able to achieve this body for any passport photograph of a lady. Then it gave me a full detailed picture prompt, which I later used. So this one I said to give me full portrait and it gave me something else. So now, if why does it give me something else? Sometimes when you have been using Gemini for a lot of questions, it will just be giving you repetition. So the best thing is you go out and start a new chat. So when you start a new chat, then it can possibly give you a better one. So look at this one too. It's not giving me what I want again. So I had to go out. No, before I go out, I prompted it for the male character. I want to see how it goes for male character as well. So now I told you how to generate the male character prompt as well. So I'm using semi-realistic digital art portrait for this picture. So then I changed the complexion as well to caramel, warm caramel complexion, this place. I just want that caramel. Caramel will not make it too dark. So if you don't add caramel, it can give you someone so dark. So dark. If you look at this image and the original one, they look so much close. They look so much close. So much. It's just like someone draw this for a person. So, and this is how it brings it for you. So with the image, you can create your character. Now I want to generate full version for the masculine body as well. So since I opened another chart where I created the full body for the picture, sorry, okay, it's here. So I just, the prompt I generated for full body, that's what I used. So, and here it gave me a perfect standard body for the man. The face is still there. So, and that's how you generate your avatar. All these pictures we are just generating here, they call it avatar. They can talk, they can move, they can do anything you want. So now I want my picture here to be showing, I want her face to be showing, I want her to wear a complete dress now. So then I told Gemini, we are in Gemini, to make a full portrait of this image showing her feet, and here it comes. It's showing her feet perfect, right? So the feet is now showing. So now I can change address to whatever I want. So I said she's wearing a pink beautiful crop top with a blue jeans trousers and a pair of black Nike sneakers. So, and here is our image. Can you see there's even that logo of Nike there? Now there is something I would like you to always remember when you are generating your avatar. Before you prompt your AI, always put HD resolution. You can notice that this picture is not very sharp. It's not very sharp. The resolution is not so sharp. So, and you cannot upscale your image in Gemini, but you can reprompt it to give you a better picture. So remember to always put HD resolution, please, and please jot it down so that you not forget. Remember to always put HD resolution, because if you want to create a long video and you want you want to make use of your avatar, if you want that clear video, then your avatar must be very clear as well. It must be very clear. So put that in mind. And this is how you can craft your avatar. I hope everybody gets it well. So now the next thing we go for is how to make our avatar talk, walk, and do other stuffs like that. So meet you in next class.